Hello and welcome to another episode of ClickDesigns Training. I'm Angie Norris. I'm here with you from week to week to show you the power of this amazing tool. As a power user myself, I am using it every single day, and I hope that you guys are at that point too, because it is such a great tool and it just saves me so much time. I don't have to think. I just get in there, I find a template that matches kind of the similar look that I want. I change out my colors, I add the graphics, I add the text, and boom, I have an amazing graphic that would have taken me hours had I used other tools. So today we're continuing on in our series called AI Copy plus ClickDesigns. Yes, prompt to pixel, and we are focused in on ChatGPT, one of my favorite AI tools. And if you're a beginner to AI, it's the best one to get going with, I believe, and then you can move on to some of the other ones. I use about 30 of them, and they're all amazing. As an AI consultant myself, I'm out there speaking to Chamber of Commerce and going to networking events, helping to get business owners to overcome that fear of AI. And so it's okay to be afraid of it, but if you want to dabble in it and get going, ChatGPT is the one I would always suggest first, because it's easy, it's free, and it's fun to use. And once you use it, you'll never go back to not using it. I always joke around that it's a basic human need. AI is going to just revolutionize our world, and the ones who are adopting it are the ones who are going to be a little bit have an edge on the people that don't. So anyway, a little word of warning there in a good way, right? It's an amazing time to be alive. It's the advent of AI. I love it, and I hope you guys do too. So today, we're going to continue on in our series. We have what is it? What did I say? Yes. Oh, I didn't say yet. I don't think I've told you what today's topic is going to be. Well, it's going to be click packaging. Packaging is going to be an amazing for e-commerce sellers, for product buyers, for maybe you have an Etsy store, or maybe you have a brick and mortar store. All of those things are great. Maybe you're creating these for clients, or maybe you're on Fiverr and you're offering your design services for other people. It doesn't matter. You can all use ClickDesigns, and I love, love, love the packaging stuff. So we're going to get in there and make some really fun things today. And I've kind of grouped in two different sides. I have the physical packaging, like drink packages and custom boxes and things like that. But I also added in today apparel, because it is packaging in of itself. It's in the e-com space. It's not packaging, but to me, they kind of go together. So I'm going to focus on both of those today. So let's get started. We have lots to cover, and I will see you inside the ClickDesigns dashboard. So ClickDesigns plus AI Copy for packaging. That's what we're going to be talking about today. Super excited to be here on this Monday morning. AI Copy and ClickDesigns from prompt to pixel. There are so many things we've talked about so far in this series, and we only have a couple weeks left before we move on to a new series. But today we're going to be talking about ChatGPT. Every week I've been showing you how to use ChatGPT to create some epic copy so that you can use those in your designs in ClickDesigns templates. Now, I've named my ChatGPT Chatty G. Have you named your ChatGPT yet? I have named mine because mine feels like it is a real personality that I talk to every single day about various topics in different styles, different modes, meaning that sometimes I feel like Chatty G is a mentor, sometimes I feel like it's a brainstorming partner, sometimes it's an assistant, and sometimes it is my marketing team. No matter what, though, I love, love, love that we have AI. It is just changing the game, and I hope you guys have felt that too. And if you haven't, ChatGPT is the place to start, in my opinion. As a beginner using AI, ChatGPT will be the window into all future AIs that you use. And so ClickDesigns plus AI Copy, this ClickDesigns is amazing. As you guys know, there are so many wonderful things here in this tool that we've covered week by week by week. I think we're on our 128th week or 29th week. I've lost count, and I've been here with you every week to show you the power of it, because I use it every single day, and I think you guys should too. So, click packaging. you have lots of opportunities with click packaging. You can make things look real, even though they're virtual. And I think that's one of the reasons why we use it, is to take things and turn it into 3D mock-ups. But you could also use it if you are an e-com seller, you want to showcase your products and style, you want to create packaging mock-ups in different scenarios so that your buyers can picture themselves using your products. You can boost your sales with gorgeous branding and enhanced product presentation. And that's what ClickDesigns helps you do, whether it's cosmetics or beverages, supplements, bags, boxes, food. Doesn't matter, you can showcase your products using ClickDesigns. And so we're going to look at what copy we have to put on these amazing products and services here. So cosmetics is a huge line, and I know this firsthand because I have white labeled a beauty brand, and ClickDesigns knows the owner. So yeah, Mo Latif knows the owner of the beauty product that I use and that I have white labeled, and Mo has added in some really cool templates for that product specifically. And in a future episode, I will cover white labeling your own beauty products and using ClickDesigns to help you showcase those better. But for now, the purposes of today's training, we're going to be talking about click packaging. So cosmetics is a huge one, whether you're using CBD oil or you're selling perfume. This one has a lot of different things in the templates library. Beverages, if you have a restaurant or you have some type of shop that sells beverages, lots of templates in there. Or maybe you just sell mugs on Amazon. That's a great, awesome side hustle, is creating mugs on Amazon. And that's one thing that I love, and it's an easy way to create things. So what we'll do today is we'll definitely make some type of mug with some funny saying on it. Next, we have supplements. This is huge. Lots of people are white labeling supplements. Lots of people are selling supplements. Fitness, health, diet, that's not going away anytime soon. So it's a great area to be in. And I know a lot of people who are in it and they're doing very, very well. So another one that you can create some labels for are here. Bags. These are so cute. I love these. You can use these for your shops, your stores. You can use them just to have some cool images to show that, hey, we are a retail place or we sell products, which is really cool. The next one is food. Food is never going away. We love food. I don't know about you, but my kids, my husband, myself, we are all foodies. And so this is a great one because there's lots of food products that you can sell. And here you can show that you can make different things like this Captain Tortilla. You can make your own, and you can change the colors, the label, the little guy here, and make it your own. The next one is Click Apparel. So when you are a store, and I know this because I have a Shopify store and I'm adding lots of brand swag to my store, from sweatshirts and t-shirts and hoodies and tank tops, hats, you name it. So we'll definitely be making some kind of a t-shirt today, but there are a lot in here. So you can get apparel templates from sweatshirts and t-shirts to all the things that I said. Toddler wear is another thing, face mask. You can do sportswear. So there's lots of stuff you can easily customize with your own apparel designs inside of ClickDesigns. You can also get apparel mock-ups that you can customize to improve your product visualization. You can save money on modeling and photography expenses. You don't need that anymore. You used to have to prop up the image and put the apparel on some kind of a mannequin and take a picture and hope that it looks good. And now with AI, man, you don't have to do that. And yes, you can do stuff inside of ChatGPT to create some images and mock-ups and so forth. But why when you have ClickDesigns that can do it for you, right? So we're going to be using ChatGPT to make some copy for your shirts, but man, ClickDesigns already has a ton in there. So pretty cool. Sweatshirts are huge. We're going into fall now. It got cold this weekend. My kids' soccer games, it was windy. The wind was blowing and I was freezing, and I had a winter coat on even though it's only October. It's October 20th. It's not like it's December or January, but man, it felt so cold because the wind was so bad. Sweatshirt season is here. We can use that for all of our apparel shops and stores and things like that. T-shirts are huge. Never going away. T-shirts are always going to be around, so making a mock-up for a t-shirt is going to be fun, and one thing that we'll try to do today. Hoodies. My kids love hoodies. I just went on 2 trips with a couple mastermind groups, and I brought back tons of hoodies for my kids because they wanted it in all the towns. I brought them one from California and one from Mexico and one from Jamaica, and they love hoodies. So these are another great product and lots of templates inside of ClickDesigns. Tank tops are another one. I wear a lot of tank tops. I'm always looking like I am working out, even though I'm not some days, but it's my most comfortable wear. So tank tops are another big positive. Sportswear. I wear a lot of sportswear, so these are really good. So let's get into some AI prompting, and then we're going to get into the software. So AI prompts for ClickDesigns packaging. These are just ideas. You're going to take these. So if you're watching this, you can screenshot these and use these for your own stuff. But product name variations, if you need a product name to put on your listings, this is great. If you need a tagline for your packaging, if you need a front of box hook, benefit callouts. So these are just ideas. And then we have another slide here that has instructions. So if you need to write a step-by-step instructions on how to use your product, this helps you with the simple and clear for packaging space. So like if you have a supplements bottle and you want to make some instructions on how to use, this would be perfect. Use ChatGPT to create those. So use these prompts, right? So screenshot this if you want to use any of these. Ingredients and feature blurbs are perfect for Amazon listings, seal and badge text. So if you want the little badge, the badges that they have inside of ClickDesigns, which I'll show you today. How about that? I will make one. We can call it clinically tested, award winner, eco-friendly, and I'll show you what that would look like if you take a badge or seal out of ClickDesigns. And that's kind of hidden. You can type in the keyword to search for it, but I'm going to show you where you can also find it inside of funnels. Next, we have credibility statements, slogans for inserts, and call to action lines. Now, these are just ideas. So we'll take some of these ideas and we'll run with them today, but let's jump into the software and get going here because, we have a lot to cover in a little bit of time. So welcome to this Monday, and we're going to get started here. Let's jump into the software. Inside my ClickDesigns software here, we are going to click on templates and go over to, let's scroll over here to packaging right here. We're going to do 2 things today. So packaging and apparel. So those are the 2 things we're going to be focused on today for the purpose of this training. So click on packaging. You will see we have a lot of different things in here. All these lotion bottles. We have spray bottles, bottle toppers, perfumes, lotion. I don't know about you, but my daughters, I have 2 daughters that are teenagers who have so many beauty products. It's amazing. They don't even need it. That's the thing that is crazy, is it's just a popular thing to have, are lots of lotions and sprays and you name it, they have it. But hey, that's what they're into and that's okay. Beverages, lots of beverages here. I love making like the coffee mugs and coffee cups. We have supplements, pill bottles, pill blisters, lots of different things in here. Bags are another thing. So if you're an e-com, this is a great one to use. Boxes, we didn't cover that in my slides, but I have made lots of custom boxes for myself. I'm getting ready to make one again soon. We have food. And then we have mock-ups. So these are kind of cute. Awesome. So we have a lot to cover here, and we're going to get started with a lot of stuff. Now, I love mugs, so we're going to do mugs here under beverages. But before we get into that, I want to show you apparels. So over here on apparels, you'll see we have sweatshirts, t-shirts, hoodies, tank tops, sportswear, toddlers, face masks, and hats. And so we'll make some designs today. We have Halloween coming up. Maybe we'll make a Halloween design, but let's go back over here to mugs. So we're going to click on packaging, click on beverages, and click on mugs. Now, I love mugs. I run a morning show with Perry Belcher and a few others every single day, and I am the dedicated host on Wednesdays. It is fun, and I love having a different mug every single day. So like, I love this one. Let's just click on this. Go ahead and click on the little pencil. The pencil's going to come up, and oh, I like that background. We're going to keep that. Okay, do something awesome today. So let's go over to ChatGPT, and we're going to ask for, let's see, I am creating a series of mug designs, and I would like them to be motivational. We're just going to put that, make it very simple. I'm not trying to overcomplicate my prompts. And then we'll add, give me 10 ideas. And let's just see what ChatGPT comes up with. Of course, I call mine Chatty G, and of course it calls me Angie. Love this idea. Okay, start before you're ready. One step, one sip, one win. I kind of like that. Fuel by caffeine and confidence. Dream, do, repeat, think big, act simple, grind today, glow tomorrow, make it happen, mama. This is very fitting for me because I'm very momish. Your hustle has purpose. Let's go up here and make this. We'll just do the make it happen, mama. Okay, let's do this for moms balancing chaos and dreams like pros. We don't need a tagline. We're just going to put make it happen, mama. Click on edit here. And I like this design. Let's see if it's just a cover. So I can actually change the background. Let's see, let's go to background and change this to my colors. Click on brand kit, go to colors, and click on that. Let's see if that worked. And go back here to, yeah, it did work. So it looks like I don't see it changed. Let's see, it says opacity. So if we take out, oh, I like that. Okay, let's make the background gray. So let's go over here. Like that. What do you think about that? Let's just try that, okay? So make it happen, mama. Let's go to, I'm going to put mama here, and we're going to move this down. We'll move this down here and down here, and make it, and then we'll put that there. We'll make happen. So we're going to put that right here, make this a little smaller, make this bigger, make it happen, make this a little bit bigger, mama, put that right here, put that right there. I love the guides. And let's click on preview. It's cute, but I don't know, there's something about that. Let's try a different color scheme. So X out of that, go over here to background. Let's make the background my colors, 12D60F. And then let's go over here to the shapes and then make this white like that. Let's see what that looks like. I kind of like it. We need to move some of this stuff down. Let's turn that a little bit. Move that down. Okay, let's preview that. You like that colors? I kind of like it. I would actually use it for sure. So let's go ahead and save and exit. And then we can make the colors over here. We can make that our colors like this, just like that. What do you guys think? Yes, I think I would use that. So that's a mug. Very simple. Very, very simple. And you can go back over here and you can add even more. You can ask it to expand on your mug collection. You can say, I want it to be, how about, give me 10 more for moms. And then let's just see what happens. And as you can see, gives you surviving on coffee and chaos, doing my best, and that's enough. I say that all the time to my children. I'm doing the best that I can. Caffeine, confidence, and conquer. Mom mode activated. Grace over guilt. Messy bun major goals. Raising humans aim for the week. Mamas who manifest. This season is just a chapter. Faith, family, and fierce energy. So you get the idea, which is really cool. So let's go back to ClickDesigns and click on Save and Exit. All right, so we got a mug. Let's go back to templates. Let's go over to, how about packaging? Let's find something that, how about, let's do something here, something basic, but I want to put a seal on it. You know how I was telling you in the slides how it could be award-winning? I want to make good on my promise and give you that. This one, I'm just going to use this for ease of use, this, because there's a big old space here, or we can use this one. Which one you want to think? How about, this is my color. So let's go ahead and click on this button, and we're going to create this differently. So click on Edit. We're going to look on here, and let's see. This looks pretty good. Here's what we're going to do. We are going to take this Medic Dream Ease. So we're going to go over here to ChatGPT, and we're going to need three benefits, 30 capsules. Okay, so we've got, I have a health supplement bottle. I need a name, brand, 2 to 3 word benefits, and let's see what else. Yep, and a 2 to 3 word description. Let's focus on sleep. Let's just see what it comes up with as an idea. And brand name Dream Ease. Ooh, I like that. Okay, Dream Ease. It's already Dream Ease. Let's do a different one since that one already is Dream Ease. Serenite Zenvia Midnight. Okay, let's do this one. Ooh, Dream Logic. I want to do Dream Logic. That just sounds cool. So let's take this and put Logic, just like so, and then Dream Logic Smart Sleep Complex. So we'll put that right here. Smart Sleep Complex. We have Deep Dream Phase. So let's put that here. And then Brain Recovery. I need that. I feel like I have overactive brain syndrome. That's what I just call it, because my brain is always thinking of ideas. How about you guys? You guys have an overactive brain like me? Okay, now we just need a brand name. Great. We did number 9. Just need a brand name. Any ideas? Let's see what it comes up with. Dream Logic, is it Logic Labs? Everrest. I like it. Everrest. Look at that. Okay, let's take this and move that here. I don't like those colors. Let's go to brand kit and do that. Okay, perfect. Okay. Maybe there's a space in there. Everrest. How did they have it? Yeah, they did. Okay. Let's go ahead and keep it like that. Okay, perfect. So this is what we have for our thing. Now I want to put a label right here. Let's click on Save, just so we can see. That looks pretty good. And go ahead and click on Edit again. Now let's go up to Designs here. Click on Templates. We're going to scroll down, or actually we'll just type in Badge. See what comes up right here. Perfect. And look at this one. This one looks good. Bestseller. Let's use this one. Click on edit here. For sake of time, we're just going to keep it the same. Bestseller, trusted, premium quality. Let's go here to we need a badge for this supplement. The template reads this. Let's see, we have bestseller, trusted, bestseller, trusted, oops, and 100% premium quality. What are alternatives to this copy? Okay, let's just see what it comes up with. The more context you give ChatGPT, the best, right? So clinically trusted blend, top-rated formula, doctor recommended. So let's just put this right here. Let's see, authority and trust, quality. Okay, so doctor recommended. We could put doctor and then recommended. Is that how you spell it? Are there two M's? Yes, two M's right here. Okay, so now we can make this smaller, just like this. And then this one's smaller as well. And we could make it different font. So we could go down here and find a font that's a little like that. Okay, make that centered. And then do this. Perfect. Move that up and center it. I love the guides. Don't you guys love the guides? They help me. Okay, perfect. And I can move this up a little bit, just like that. Trusted. Go back here. Okay, 100% pure ingredients, clean, safe, effective. Let's see. Let's do this top one. For that, ooh, I want it to be ingredients. There we go. Okay. Like that. Okay, what do you guys think? And then do we need one more? Trusted. I think that looks pretty good. I don't think we need anything else. Premium quality. Let's do premium quality. So premium. Make this smaller. And then quality. Oops, not upside down. Okay, put that right here. There we go. Perfect. Okay, it's good enough. Let's save. Exit. Okay, now we're going to go back here to this edit on our sleep aid. Click on edit, and then over here on designs, we will go to my designs, and we will scroll down to badge. Right here, click on use, and there we have it. We have a beautiful little thing. So we can put that right here, maybe make it a little smaller, just like so. How about like that? Okay, let's see what that looks like. Preview. Looks pretty good. And click on save and exit. So there you have it. We have done a lot of just showing you all the templates in here, and we didn't even get to the apparel, which I wanted to do, but let me just tell you that I've shown you many times how quickly and easily you can create this. So if I wanted to, if I click on my ChatGPT really quickly and I said, make me an image of a t-shirt design using one of the mom sayings. add a cute design that moms would love. Let's just see what it comes up. Not sure. And then while that's thinking, I'm going to go back here and we'll just click on one of these. You can click on t-shirts, you can click on shirts, but let's just do a sweatshirt. Let's click on edit here. Let's see what it's coming up. It's coming up with something. We'll see what it comes up with. And then click on edit. We'll take this out. Okay, let's go back over here and it's going to take a little bit. All right, so we've got doing my best and that's enough. Okay, let's go ahead and click on download here. And then go back over here, click on image. We're going to click on add, go to downloads over here, and then add that. Click on this. Okay, here we go. And then what I want to do is I want to make it a circle image. So we're going to click on circle image, just like that. Let's see what happens here. Let's make this a little bit less here. We could make it a transparent background. So I could just click on background. Oops, let me go back up. Click on background remover, and then that's even better. Okay, and then the little O kind of fell out there, so let's add an O here. So O, and then let's see, we're going to scroll down here to select font. We got to add, actually we got to add a layer, add a new layer, and then add an O, and there it is. Let's see if we can find a little cursive, just a little cursive font that might match. If I had the time, I would do so much more, but since we're just kind of, let's see, not too italicized, right? So let's go to this one. Let's just try that one for now, and then we want to match the color, so we're gonna click on this little icon here, go over here, click on that, and then paste it. Perfect. Let's make this a little bigger. Let's turn this and put that right there. Just like so. Oh, that looks pretty good, don't you think? Go down. Can't even tell. Okay, let's click on save and exit. And that looks pretty good. And you see like the backgrounds. Now, if we wanted to, we could make the background color white. So click on here, go all the way up and hit on. That looks pretty good. Doing my best, and that's enough. It's so sweet. Such a mom thing, right? Okay, so I know we're way over time, so I'm gonna close this out here. All right, what do you guys think? Are you going to go make a t-shirt? Are you going to go make a custom box? I just love all of this. It's just so cool. It's so amazing. And I just feel like I just want you guys to take some action and go dabble in it. Even if you don't plan to make anything for business or for profit, getting there and having the practice of using ClickDesigns is what you want. The more you use it, the more it gets easier and the more you can't not use it, because it's so easy after you've gotten through there. And there will be times where you have to troubleshoot on your own. Be resourceful. Go in and refresh. Make sure you save a lot. All those things. That applies to every software platform out there. With ClickDesigns, it makes it easy because you have 10,000 templates that you can choose from that are ready to go. They look amazing and you can make them your own. So I hope that was exciting. We are over the hump of training. We only have a couple sessions left of this series, and then we're going to be closing out, and we have some exciting stuff coming up next month in November, my birthday month. I'm going to be 48 this year, 48, and I just can't wait to share with you some of the new exciting things that are coming out with ClickDesigns that no one has seen before. So that's going to be out next month. I'll be doing some training, and if you've had a sneak peek and if you've seen the inside, don't tell the rest, okay? Keep that to yourself because it's going to be really cool. All right, guys, I will close this out. Have a great rest of your Monday, a great rest of your week, an even better weekend, and I will see you on the next edition of ClickDesigns Training.